In this video, I'll guide you through how to create playbooks in HubSpot. Playbooks are an incredibly powerful tool that can help streamline your processes and ensure consistency in your communications and strategies. Whether you're looking to improve your sales efforts or enhance your customer service operations, playbooks can be a game changer. Let's dive into the steps to set up your first playbook. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot dashboard and focus on the CRM section. Within the CRM, you'll find an option labeled Playbooks. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Playbooks and you'll be directed to a section where you can start managing or creating playbooks tailored to your needs. Once you're in the Playbook section, you should see an option to create a new playbook. Go ahead and click on Create Playbook. This is your starting point for building a structured, repeatable process that your team can easily follow. Now, you'll be presented with the choice between selecting a pre-designed template or starting from scratch. If you're new to playbooks or just looking for some inspiration, choosing a template can be a great way to see what's possible and get a head start. Templates are designed to cater to various scenarios. So take a moment to browse through and find one that aligns closely with your goals. However, if you have a specific vision or process in mind, you might prefer starting from scratch to fully customize the playbook according to your unique requirements. Once you've decided between a template or starting fresh, it's time to modify and customize your playbook. This step is where you can really make the playbook your own. If you've chosen a template, review the existing steps and information. Think about what needs to be adjusted to better fit your team's processes and objectives. For those starting from scratch, start by outlining the key steps or elements that you want to include in your playbook. Consider what information will be most helpful for your team and how you can present it in a clear, straightforward manner. As you're modifying your playbook, remember that the goal is to create a resource that's easy to follow and effective. Use clear language and organize the steps logically. You might want to include helpful tips or reminders within the playbook to guide your team as they use it. A well-structured playbook not only serves as a guide, but also as a training tool for new team members, helping them get up to speed quickly. After you've made all the necessary modifications, be sure to review your playbook thoroughly. Check for any errors or areas that might need further clarification. Once you're satisfied, save your playbook and make it available for your team to start using. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create effective playbooks within HubSpot that can help your team operate more efficiently and consistently. Remember, the key to a successful playbook is clarity, relevance, and usability. Keep refining your playbooks over time as your processes evolve and your team's needs change. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating playbooks in HubSpot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy playbooking!